Hey kids, do you like birthdays? I love them. You know what I really love? When somebody comes to me and they bring me a cupcake and they say, here is a cupcake. Make a wish and blow out the candle. You know, I was reading in my scriptures the other day, and I was reading about Joseph, and it dawned on me, I bet he had several birthdays where he didn't have anybody who even knew it was his birthday. Because in Genesis it says he was sold as a slave by his own brothers. Well, your family knows when your birthdays are, but other people don't. He probably had a lot of birthdays where he never had anybody come and bring him a cupcake and say, here, make a wish and blow out the candle. And if he did, do you know what his wish probably would have been for? To be free. His hope would have probably always been to be free. And so I bet if he had a birthday candle and somebody brought him that sweet little cupcake and said, here, Joseph, it's your birthday. Make a wish. Blow out the candle. I bet he would have been like us. He would have made a wish. And that would have been it. And that would have been all there was to it. But you know, inside of him had to have always been this hope that he would be free someday. That inside of him was this hope that year after year, even though he was away from his family, every single birthday that came by, he just thought, maybe this will be the year that I'll be let go. Maybe this will be the year that hope that's inside of me will come true. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the year, because you know, he had some really bad things happen to him. These have got to be trick candles. These have got to be trick candles. You've seen me. I've blown them out twice. But you know, when the world comes against us and tries to tell us that all hope is lost and that what we're going through is terrible and that no amount of wishing can make it right, we know that there's a God living inside of us. His name is Jesus. And He, the God of the universe, He causes the hope inside of us to still be there, even in bad times. Even when we think nobody notices and nobody's around us to pay attention, there's still a hope deep inside of us. And that hope comes from the living God, the same God who said in Genesis, don't be afraid, for I am with you. And when things tried to snuff out that hope in Joseph, they couldn't. They just couldn't do it. Because you know what? It came from within. The hope came from within. This is fun, but I really was kind of hoping to eat the cupcakes. Yeah, here we go. It's a good thing, right? It's a good thing.